Start. This second appeal arises from the judgment and decree dated 18/8/1980 passed by the learned assistant judge Valsad at Navsari in regular civil appeal number 9 of 1977, whereby the learned assistant judge was pleased to allow the appeal and set aside the judgment and decree passed by the learned joint civil judge junior division Navsari dated 21/12/1977 in regular civil suit number 3 of 1975. The facts of the case are that the plaintiff had filed the suit for the following relief. Para for declaration that the sale deed dated 21/11/71 executed by the deceased Hirabai Lalubhai Rathod, the husband of the plaintiff Dahi Ben and father of 4 minor children, on whose behalf the plaintiff Dahi Ben had pursued the remedy in favor of the defendants, was in respect of the ancestral property of undivided Hindu family HUF, and that the same was sold without any necessity and was not for the benefit of the estate and therefore not binding to the minors. It was also prayed that the plaintiff Dahiben had a charge over the property for maintenance and that the possession and share of the minors in the suit property be awarded. Para. The subject matter of the suit is the plot of land measuring about 1175 square feet bracket 109.28 square meters bracket close, forming part of survey number 37 Tika number 28, situated in the city of Navsari, and a house standing there bearing municipal census number 378. The said property was sold by the deceased Hirabai Lalubhai Rathod for a consideration of rupees 4994 to the defendants by a registered sale deed dated 21/10/71. The plaintiff challenged the said sale deed mainly on the ground that the deceased Hirabai Lalubhai Rathod had no authority to execute the sale deed, as the property was ancestral in character, as the land bearing survey number 37 Tika number 28, situated in the city of Navsari with superstructures thereon, was owned and possessed by one Dahiben Keshavbhai in bracket grandmother of late Hirabai bracket close. After her death, the said property was devolved upon Lalubhai Keshavbhai in bracket father of Hirabai bracket close. After the death of Lalubhai Keshavbhai, it was inherited by his widow Devi Ben in bracket mother of Hirabai. Said Devi Ben died in the year 1968. After her death, it was inherited by deceased Hirabai Lalubhai. Next para. As is set out in the evidence, an agreement to sell was executed on 26/7/71. At that time, a sum of rupees 251 was paid as earnest money. Thereafter, between 18/7/71 to 13/11/71, in installments, a sum of rupees 3325 was paid by the defendants to deceased Hirabai, and finally on 21/11/71 a registered sale deed was executed and a payment of the remaining amount of rupees 2418 was paid, totaling to rupees 24994 as consideration for the property in question. One of the glaring factors of this case is that the present plaintiff Dahiben Jagdish Rathod, who has filed the suit in her personal capacity and also as natural guardian and next friend of our 4 minor children was one of the witnesses to the said registered sale deed. Stop.